Hey there, you trying to make your floors purty again? Well, step aside and let me show you how it's done. This here elixir of mine is gonna do you wonders. But first, you gotta clean the floor proper with Granny's cleaner. Now, load up your microfiber mop head with some of my elixir. Next, squirt 4 to 6 squirts on your floor in a 4 by 6 area and work it in with the grain of the floor. Now you got to be patient and let it dry 5 or 10 minutes. If you want a more lustrous shine, burnish the floor in between applications or leave it natural. That's my preference. I prefer 2 applications for most floors, no more than 3 though. Now sit back and admire your handiwork. Stop just standing around, get to work.